Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create slides or sliders in your WordPress website. Before we add Smart Slider 3, we need to install Elementor Page Builder. Here you are seeing this is Elementor Page Builder. You can check out my YouTube channel. In my previous video I have shown you how to install Elementor Page Builder and how to use it within 10 minutes. Okay, after installing the Page Builder, now let's go to plugin section. Here on the left side, click on this plugins option and here click on add new plugin, and in the search bar type Smart Slider 3. So this is a slider we are going to install in our website. Click on install now. After installing, please do activate it. Here on the left side, if you scroll down, here you are seeing this option called Smart Slider. Please do click on this Smart Slider option, and here click on this go to dashboard option, and here you can see please do select this new project option. Here we get two options. You can create a slider from scratch or you can use a templates. Here I will go with a template. So start with a template, and here you can see there are more than 107 plus templates are available. Okay, and here you can see if I select this slider option, here you will see there are many slider options are available here. There are free sliders are available, and also pro version sliders are also available. If you want to view this slider, suppose if I want to view this slider, it is in pro option. If you want to view this, just click on this eye icon. So this is the slider. You can import this template if you're having pro version. Okay, let me go back, and here we are having slider options, different sliders here, and there is block options. These are the blocks, and this is page options where you can import entire template into your website, and there is showcase option, carousels options. These are the carousels for e-commerce, especially for e-commerce, and they're all layout also options also are available, like full width, full page. And here you can see there are free versions and pro versions are available, and here in the free versions we are having 15 templates, pre-made templates. Let me select this free option, and here you can see these are the free version templates. If you want to view this slider, just click on this eye icon. Here you can see we can use this template in our website, and there are few more free carousel templates are available here. You can select this. If you want to preview this, just click on eye icon. So here I want to use this gradient slider, okay, in my website. So let me click on this import option. So I have successfully imported this slider into my website. Now let me go back to my home page. Let me visit my website. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. And this is my home page. In my home page, I want to insert this slider. So click on this edit with Elementor option. So I want to add slider in this second section. So let me click on this plus option. Click on this plus, select flex box slider. So I want to insert below this container. So let me click on this plus option, select flex box and select single container. Okay. Inside this, I want to add slider in this section. Okay. In order to add this slider in this section, click on this add element option. And if you scroll down, this is a smart slider you need to select, or else in the search bar, type smart slider. Here you can see this is a smart slider we need to insert in this main container. So let me drag and drop it over here, and let me select this gradient slider and click on insert option. Here you can see my slider has been inserted over here, and here you need to select this slider. So I have selected this gradient slider. Okay. So after inserting the slider, please do click on this publish option and click on preview changes. And if I scroll down, here it's showing only full width slider, but there is spaces between on right side and the left side. Okay. We need to make this slider as full width. So in order to make this full width, so let me select this main container and go to advanced option. Let me add margin at 0 and padding as 0 and click on publish option and click on preview. So here the gaps has been removed between these main containers, and also it should show in full width. So in order to show this in full width, let me go back to smart slider. Okay, click on this smart slider and select this gradient slider, and here in the size option, general settings, here you need to enable this force full width option. Okay, after enabling this force full width option, click on save, and let me come back to home page. Let me refresh this page, and let me come back to home page here, and let me refresh this page over here also. And now you can see my slider appears in full width. So here I want to replace this text and these images and this text, this button text with another data. So in order to replace that, let me go back to smart slider option, and here select this go to dashboard option, and this is a slider I have used in my website. Please do click on this edit option, and here please do select this slider one, click on edit, and here let me close this, and here I will add another details in these options. Okay, and here you can see let me change this heading, description and button text. Okay, let me go to ChatGPT, and here I have already created the content content for my slider. So I'm creating a slider for my website. Please give me content for sliders for AirPods, smartwatch, headphones, title along this. Okay, first let me select this title as AirPods, and here let me select the headings, and here let me add AirPods. Okay, and let me add description also, like this is a description. Let me copy this description and let me add this description over here. Okay, and let me change the shop AirPods now. Okay, after making the changes, and here I will replace this image also. Let me select this image and click on plus option, upload files. Let me upload images, and let me select the size of this image, and please do select this, and let me decrease the size of this image. Okay, max width should be like 500 pixels. Okay, and click on save, and let's go back. In this way you need to edit these two sliders also. Let me click on this edit, and let me edit these two sliders also. I will speed up this. And now you can see how edited these three sliders. And let's go back to website, and please do refresh this website. And here you can see, let me refresh the home page again, and now the entire content will be replaced. So that's how you can create a sliders in your website by using Smart Slider 3.
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.